Hey folks, I'm going to be demonstrating the song Your Name by Paul Baloche. I think that's how he pronounces his name. And it's in the key of B flat major. And the chords that are involved in this are the first inversion B flat, which means you take the B flat and put the third on the bass. That's first inversion. So that's a B flat over a D. And then you have, of course, the 4, E flat. And then the 5, which is a first inversion, F over A. Okay, third in the bass. F is 1, 3, 5, third in the bass. And then 1. This is part of the intro. And then the verse is as morning, so B flat over D, and then it's what we might say is an E flat add 9, and then evening fades, so that's a F suspended, okay, 5 suspended, and then you inspire, same thing repeated, songs of praise that rise from earth to touch your heart. And I believe that's a G minor 7, okay? Your minor 6, but with a 7. To glorify your name. And then in the chorus, you have a D minor 7, your name. Well, I added a 9 there. It's actually a G minor 7. So D minor 7 to a G minor 7 is a strong 1. Strong and mighty tower, right? An E flat to your name. So there we go to the 5, F, to the G minor 7 is a shelter like no other. Your name, let the nations sing it louder. And then right here, because nothing has the power. Now, if you want, you can add the 2 there, which makes it kind of spicy. Because nothing has the power to save but your name. And I'll go over the intro for you, okay? And then in the bridge, but your name. So you have the G minor 7, right? To the 5, and then to the major 2, okay? For 2 measures, same thing, to the 5, and then go to that 2 again, just for 1 measure, and then to the 4. Okay, so that's all there is. Now the intro is what may give people some trouble. So the intro to this song is this. Left hand goes like this. So D to B flat, E flat to B flat, A to F, B flat to F. Okay, so it's a B flat over a D, first inversion. Okay, then a 4, then a F over an A, first inversion, to the 1. Okay, now the right hand is interesting. Okay, it does this interesting thing here. It goes. So it's perfect parallel fifths. So you could work on your own fingering. So it's B flat F, G D, E flat B flat, and then F C D A B flat F. So perfect parallel fifths. So or however you want to finger it. I haven't even, figured it out myself, but it's all good. So here's how it is. Well, let me get a good sound for you. Let's see. Grand piano and electric piano. Let's see, is that the best sound? Yeah, I like that one better. So grand piano and electric piano. So the chords are actually this. that's actually an E flat major 7. And then here, B flat major 7. Get that? So let's try it again. Now watch, and now watch. Sorry. So it's an F7. F7 over an A. It's very pretty, very pretty. Sorry. All right, so there you go. That's Paul Baloche's chords and intro to Your Name. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Love you.